know when you dropped her off, you did not have the collar turned off on. So you have got to make sure, we're going to have a little video again for you guys about how to make sure the collar is on. Because it used to happen to us too, but now what we do is hit the pager. If the pager goes, then you know the collar is on. So I don't have my sound box on, but you know, obviously I'm going to be very alert when I've got her out in public. And I've got the chicken. I don't want you using those cookie biscuits if you go out on a walk. She doesn't like those at my house. She likes the other different kind of treats that we have. Anyway, I'm always going to start my pager slightly before Rollie. Heel. Every night down. Good. And last night there was a thunderstorm right when it was her dinner time. Well, you know she would not eat. She was too busy shaking and quaking. Oh, she was terrified. And thank God I had the collar on her. She was not going to go outside. I had to make her go out finally last night. I mean, I don't make her go out when it's a storm, but Rollie, heel. Girl, take it